Corporate Finance MCQs Part 7. Dash risks represent risk from financial leverage. Option A financial, option B cost of bankrupting, option C equity, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A financial. Shares makes the capital structure rigid. Option A sound, option B equity, option C owner, option C none of the above. The correct answer is option B equity. A highly profitable company will have lower reliance on dash. Option A loan fund, option B debt, option C debt equity, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B debt. Capital structure decisions are taken in view for the purpose of option A capital structure, option B financing, option C debt, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B financing. Standard debt equity ratio is option A 2:0.5, option B 2:0.1, option C 2:0.4, option D none of the above. The correct answer is 2:0.1. Dash is the minimum level of earning before interest tax needed to satisfy all fixed financial charges. Option A capital structure, option B financial break-even, option C packing audit theory, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B financial break-even. The situation in which two alternative financial plans produce the level of earning before interest track where earning per share is the same is known as dash. Option A no change in risk, option B no corporate taxes, option C financial indifference point, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C financial indifference point. Net income approach is given by dash. Option A dividend policy, option B packing audit theory, option D Durant debit, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C Durant debit. Traditionally, optimum capital structure is assumed as a point where weighted average capital cost is option A maximum, option B equal, option C minimum, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C minimum. Optimum capital structure implies a ratio debt and equity at when dash would be least and market value of the firm would be highest. Option A marginal cost of capital, option B weighted average cost of capital, option C cost of debt, option D opportunity cost. The correct answer is option B weighted average cost of capital. One of the following is not an assumption of capital structure theory. Option A, these are capital structure source of fund, that is debt and equity. There is no corporate taxes. Option C, dividend payout ratio varies between 0 and 100%. Option D, firm's business risk is constant over time. The correct answer is option C, dividend payout ratio varies between 0% to 100%. The factor which is not relevant for determination of debt equity mix. Option A taxation, option B nature of asset base, option C industry norms, option D viability of cash flow. The correct answer is option C industry norms. Ability of a firm with high gearing to mix fixed interest payout of current earning. Option A reduces, option B remain unaffected, option C increases, option C does not change. The correct answer is option A reduces. Capital structure decision should always aim at having debt component in order to option A gain tax saving, option B balance the capital structure, option C gain control, option D increase earning per share. The correct answer is option D increase earning per share. The non-produced project should be financed by dash. Option A debt and equity, option B debt, option C equity, option D retained earning. The correct answer is option D retained earning. If earning before interest tax is less than financial break-even point, then earning per share will be positive, earning per share will be negative. Option C no effect on earning per share, option D cash from debt increase. The correct answer is option B earning per share will be negative. If the expected level of earning before interest tax exceed the indifference point, option A, debt financing will be the advantage. Option B, equity finance will be advantageous. Option C, earning per share will reduce. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, debt financing will be advantage. Financial risks involve risk of cash insolvency. Option B, risk of variation in expected earning. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A and B. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Net income approach assumes option A, no change in risk. Option B, no corporate taxes. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A and B. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The effect of increase in leverage. Option A, increase equity capitalization rate. Option B, weighted average cost of capital remain constant. Option C, total value of the firm remain constant. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The effect of decrease in leverage. Option A, decrease equity capitalization rate. Option B, weighted average capital cost remain constant. Option C, total value of the firm remain constant. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Following is not an assumption of net operating income approach. Debt capitalization rate exchange. Option B, constant weighted average cost of capital. Option C, no corporate taxes. Option B, split between debt and equity is not important. The correct answer is option A, debt capitalization rate exchanges. Following is not the assumption of approach. Option A, investor behave rationally. Option B, investors are free to buy and sell securities. Option C, there is a transaction cash. Option D, investor can borrow without restriction. The correct answer is option C, there is a transaction cash. Capital structure is optimum when MV of equity share does not exchange, market value of equity share changes, cost of equity changes. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, market value of equity share does not change.